I'm back. It has soaked up most of the wine. That right there is just a runoff. I've oiled my pan, as you guys can see. This is my good old cooking pan, so don't judge me. I'm going to pour the rest of the I'm going to do another rinse. And I'm going to just so y'all guys know I do the I don't own the music if you hear it. And you can still smell the wine. So that means it's absorbed it. Okay? So we're just going to rinse it off. And I don't make it pretty when I put it in here. Maybe I should for you guys. But this is just me showing you guys how I cook. Alright, so we have our chicken. Now, most people don't do this, but I do. I take my knife. And I just do some couple of coats. I don't know why I do it, but I've been doing it since I've learned to cook. I just feel like it receives the flavor more. I don't know. Okay, but if you guys see, I just do a little coat, especially when it's thicker chicken or drumsticks. I just feel like it accepts what you're putting in it better. I don't own the music, let's be clear. You guys see I made my stab marks. So then now I go in. I go in with my seasoning. Raw seasoning. And I go over it. Sometimes I use a spoon, sometimes I use my hands. And I go in. And I make sure it's on there really good. You want to make sure everything is seasoned.